fear of this virus is powerful, and it's intensified all kinds of nefarious misinformation and disinformation.
Misinformation and disinformation.
From this evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home.
Stay home.
Stay at home.
Stay the at home.
And wear a mask.
Wear a mask.
Wear a mask. Just do it.
On the science around vaccines.
They are safe and effective.
The safe and effective products.
This is a highly treatable disease. Once everyone knew that hydroxychloroquine worked and then ivermectin and any number of compounds worked, and they were in mass deployment throughout the country, you wouldn't have all this fear-mongering and all this societal disruptions.
Until March 2020, it was unthinkable that liberal democracies should confine healthy people to their homes indefinitely.
I think the lockdowns are the single biggest public health mistake in history. I think the lockdowns have failed to protect the vulnerable.
What's happened in this pandemic is the world is closed in on us. There's only one doctor whose face is on TV now. One, not a panel. Doctors, we always work in groups. We always have different opinions. There's not a single media doctor on TV who's ever treated a COVID patient.
I enlisted in the fight against COVID by enrolling in a clinical trial for a COVID vaccine, AstraZeneca. And I lost control of my legs. I lost control of my bladder. I had to retrain my legs.
And I think there's a few of us who get it in every profession. There's the doctors, there's the odd journalists, there's comedians, there's the odd ones, and it's our duty to speak up